Hi friends, this is Rajkumar. So I am here to teach you the basics of the Origin software. So suppose you are facing some problems using Excel. So to overcome those problems you can use the Origin software. So Origin software is basically used for the data analysis as well also drawing a plotting the graphs. So basically Origin is a graphical user face interface. So let us discuss the basics of the interface of the Origin and what are the uses of the Origin software. So I am going to complete the basics of the Origin in 10 to 15 videos. So let us see the basics. It is a graphical user interface with the spreadsheet front end. I'll explain what is graphical user interface with the spreadsheet front end in the next slide, and it is supported on Microsoft Windows only. It is used in quick completion of the work as well as it is user friendly software. The worksheets which are in the Origin software are column oriented worksheets. These columns have some labels, nothing but legends, names, units and functions are formulae. So these are additional features given in the Origin compared to the Excel. So in this course I am going to explain 2D as well as 3D graphs and how to merge the graphs. Merging of 3 graphs or 4 graphs using 2 columns and 2 rows or 3 columns, 3 rows. So I'll explain those things in the later videos. You can also do curve fitting of the big data, uh, and also you can smooth the data, and the statistics also can be done as similar to the Excel. So coming to the next slide, Origin is a GUI with spreadsheet front end. So what is this? So you can see the interface on the top of the screen as well as the left side. So here you can find the spreadsheet in the front end. So that's why it is called GUI with spreadsheet front end. And coming to these worksheets or spreadsheets are the column oriented worksheets. So here you can see a of x. So this is the column corresponding to the x variable and remaining are the columns corresponding to the y variables. So here you can see the long name, units, comments, f of x, that is function. Suppose if you give some function here under the y b of y column, so when you enter the x values it will take directly y values, and you can also give units here itself and comments also. These comments are nothing but the legends that are appear on the graph. So coming to the 2D and 3D graphs, you can see a wide range of the graphs here. So the first one is very simple column graph, and second one is the line with symbol, and third one is the grouped column, grouped scatter graph, and the fourth one is the simple column scatter graphs, and next one is the horizontal bar graphs, and next one is the 3D graphs. And in the 3D graphs we can draw either XYY 3D graphs or XYZ 3D graphs. So we can also draw the stacked columns. These are the inbuilt graphs in the Origin software. You can directly select those graphs to plot any graph. So you can also see the donut with the total, and also functional plot, and also 3D graphs, and also categorical graphs. So these categorical graphs are nothing but the grouped columns or grouped scattered graphs, And coming to the statistical graphs, you can draw the histograms with normal distribution curve or box charts. And coming to the functional plot, so in the functional plot you are going to give equations. So based on the equation, the curve will be generated. So you can see here a nice graph. So the legends can be placed anywhere, and the appearance of the graph is very nice compared to the Excel. So here the grouped column graph. So here you can see the some countries corresponding to the some continents. So in the top you can find the number of papers collected per the country. So here you can draw this type of the graphs very easily using the origin. So these are some 3D graphs and statistical graphs that I have already told you. So here you can find 3D scatter plot, 3D scatter with Z error bars, line, 3D trajectories, and XY by 3D 100% bar graphs and 3D walls. So there are so many types of 3D graphs you can draw very easily using Origin software. And coming to the statistics, you can do the descriptive statistics analysis, hypothesis testing, ANOVA, and non-parametric tests. And coming to the next slide, analysis. So this analysis contains fitting of the data and signal processing of the data. So these are the things that I am going to explain in my videos. Fitting is nothing but suppose you have some big amount of data, so you wanted to know what is the trend of that data. So you are going to fit that data using non-linear fit or linear fit. And coming to the signal processing, in the signal processing you are going to smooth the data using different techniques. I will explain those details in the later videos. So after 10 to 15 videos of my lectures, you are able to draw basic 2D 3D graphs in very less time. And you can also merge the graphs. You can merge 3 graphs or 4 graphs or 10 number of graphs also you can merge, and you can able to the smooth the big data, and you can also perform or you can also do the curve fitting. Finally, these are helpful for your dissertation work and journal publications. Thank you.